this baguette while watching the gymnastics Olympics. Is worlds above anything you can buy from the supermarket. Good morning. It's first thing in the morning on a very warm sunny day. There was a point where I thought we're not going to get a summer, but I think we're actually getting a summer, which is lovely. So it's first thing in the morning. I'm officially, I think I'm 5 months pregnant now, I think, with my second baby. And I thought I would do what I'm currently eating in a day. My appetite changes wildly when pregnant, and I have a lot of aversions and I don't feel very well a lot of the time. So what I eat changes so much, but I feel like I'm really getting back into the swing of like eating a variety of things, eating more delicious options, because there was one stage where I was just surviving off egg and cress sandwiches and that was it. Now my palate's changing. As it's first thing in the morning, I am feeling a little nauseous, so for a while I was taking some anti-sickness tablets, but I have stopped those a few weeks ago because I can manage now with sort of lifestyle changes. But I am definitely feeling nauseous, so I'm going to make my breakfast now. I know what I want for breakfast because I know what I fancy, but I don't have much of a plan for the rest of the day. So let's just see where the day takes us. If you enjoy sort of what I eat in a day videos, budget recipes for families, then do subscribe because that's what you get a lot on this channel. I hope you're all doing really, really well. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if this is the kind of content you like. And yeah, let's just get into today. Yes, you may have seen me melting a Freddo there. A Freddo caramel in porridge with fruit. Because it melts, so it goes all chocolatey, but you've got that caramel aspect as well with the like tangy fruit. It's such a good tip. I highly recommend it. So good. So I'm going to enjoy this. I always put my fruit from frozen into porridge because that helps cool it down much quicker. I'm going to enjoy this. I normally have a cup of tea, but I get really bad stomach acid if I have porridge and tea at the same time. I always have, whether pregnant or not. So I'm going to save my cup of tea for like a late morning snack type lunch thing. But yeah, I'm going to enjoy this. The mixed fruit in here is cranberries, blueberries, strawberries, blackberries. It's just like lots of mixed fruits. I always add chia seeds into porridge. Just gives it that bit of extra omegas and fibre, and obviously the chocolate Freddo. Sometimes it's a spoon of Nutella, but a chocolate Freddo works so well with porridge, I'm telling you. So my sort of second breakfast of the day, I'd say. Very early lunch. Baguette, ham, tomato, lots of pepper and mayo. And then I found half an avocado in the fridge that needs eating, so I thought I'll eat that. I love avocado. But I just got a spoon for that. I am loving these salt and pepper baguettes from Tesco. They're so nice and salty. And a cup of tea. I'm enjoying my English breakfast cup of tea again, which is cray cray. Really hard to eat these. So good. Delish. Delish. I'm literally just eating this baguette while watching the gymnastics Olympics. My favourite is definitely the gymnastics and the swimming and the diving. I love those. Well, the diving and the gymnastics. Obviously Simone Biles, incredible, but I thought our British gymnasts were incredible this year. So fingers crossed for next time, but I'll just watch on while eating my baguette. Just having a kiwi. I saw a TikTok video where this doctor was saying how important kiwi skin is. And ever since I've been eating kiwis with the skin on, but also like how many health benefits a kiwi has. So I'm trying to eat them every so often. I do much prefer them when they're sweeter. These ones are quite bitter. These ones are just the average ones from Aldi. You can get like this like premium pack of 4. Which are super sweet, so delicious, but I just got the average ones from Aldi. I do cut off the ends just because they're a bit like chonky to chew, but so sour, so sour. Oh, these ones are just so sour, the average ones from Aldi. I might just get the premium ones again next time. But yeah, I'm gonna eat this shortly around lunchtime. But because I had a baguette like an hour ago, I'm sort of okay at the moment. But if I eat little and often, I'm happy. It's literally hotter than the sun, especially inside the house. I live in a barn conversion that is painted black. So it's so warm in this weather. So I've come to sit in the shade for a bit. Lawrence has got her in. And I'm gonna have an ice cream. Loving these at the moment. These are like Cadbury ice creams are about half price on Tesco Club Card at the moment. So we got a few. So I'm going to enjoy this. So good. Has popping candy. I love popping candy. It's coming up to dinner time. I'm sorry, but I'm too hot. I'm too hot. It's driving me nuts. It's so hot in this house. We've got fans going, we've got air purifiers going, so yeah, I mean, I need to check the weather app because I'm not sure how much more I can take of this. Normally, I like a bit of sun, okay? I don't like it when your house feels like a sauna at all times. Yeah, so today's the hottest of the week, so it's going to start cooling down. Oh, thank goodness. I mean, tomorrow's still going to be relatively warm, the same as today, but anyway, so for dinner, having like a fajita tray bake, so I'm just going to cook fajitas all in one pan, a one pot pan dinner. That's my favourite thing, especially on a hot day like this. So I'm just going to chuck in some cut up chicken and lots of different veggies, onions, peppers, mushrooms, things like that into a pan. Cook it all with seasonings and stuff and garlic. Serve it with wraps. Hopefully I've got wraps in the freezer. I can't remember if I do or not. I've got guac, I've got sour cream and cheese. And to me, fajitas is a very easy weekday meal and great for the summer. So let's get cooking.
Wrap, please. Wrap, please.
So much.
Cheers. Love you so much forever. Yeah, so we're just having fajitas at the dinner table, and we are... I mean, fajitas is a great one-pan dinner, isn't it? And also... You're so cheeky. It's so hot. It's actually gross. But yeah, we're having fajitas. It's a great easy weekday meal. I haven't been able to eat fajitas for a while, but I'm actually looking forward to them. And they're really filling. And they've got loads of veggies in there and loads of cheese and dips and oh yeah, where's that guac?
Habanero and tomatillo.
We have.
I'm okay, but I'll show them what Lawrence is putting on his dinner.
I don't want some.
You don't want some?
Yeah.
No, you've got ketchup, haven't you? You don't need some. Excuse me, young boy.
Mama,
Guacamole.
what's the noise?
I don't know. Chicken.
I want the noise.
Okay, in a minute.
Chicken, peppers, onions, garlic, mushrooms, cheese, a little bit of rice. Oh yeah, have your rice, honey? Yeah, we've only got mini wraps, so I feel like this is going to be a bit difficult to eat, but absolutely delish. So we're going to enjoy this.
Delicious.
Is it? Mm. We're just watching, what was that, the judo?
Yeah.
Croatia one?
Mmm.
Cool. A gorgeous boy. Right, let's turn this off. Say bye.
Bye.
It's the end of the day. I've had a shower. Made some popcorn. Well, that looks a bit dodgy. It's just a unicorn, by the way. Made some popcorn, which is one of my favourite snacks at the moment. Homemade popcorn is worlds above anything you can buy from the supermarket. Just get yourself some kernels, put them in a pan with some vegetable oil and lots of salt if you want salty. Put a lid on, give it a really good shake so they're all covered in the oil, and put it on the highest possible setting. You'll soon hear them popping. When they're popping quite quickly, chuck in a knob of butter and give it another big shake, just quickly, and then put the lid back on straight away. Give it a good shake. And then let it keep popping, shake periodically because you don't want some to sit at the bottom and burn. And then when there's 3 seconds between each pop, it means you need to take it off the hob, they're done. And yeah, Lawrence just making himself a mojito. I've got a, Oren's in bed. I've got a, dribbled it. Cordial. A mango and passion fruit cordial with sparkling water. So good. And ice. I'm literally sweating. It's still so hot. We're about to put on the Olympics and finish the day with some popcorn. I'd normally have like a treat in the evening. I had an ice cream earlier. I think where I'm pregnant, it's easier for me to have my sweet treats during the day, because if I have it at night, it really makes me feel unwell. It makes me feel unwell anyway, sweet stuff, but I think 'cause it does stuff with your sugars. But yeah, so I'm going to finish the day here. Enjoy my popcorn. Hopefully Lawrence comes in the living room soon, because I'm going to eat it all. And I'll catch up with you guys in the next video. Oh.